Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today we're going to be talking about the Skechers hands-free slip-ins. Let's have a look.
These shoes are perfect for people on the go. They come in all different styles, and I'll show you more of those in a minute. The box highlights some of the best features, like they are designed to slip on hands-free. Just step in and walk away. There's the heel pillow that holds your foot securely in place. The insole is an air-cooled memory foam, and of course, the whole point of this design is that it eliminates bending over to put your shoes on. So I bought a pair of the running shoe style for my daughter, who has 2 kids under 3. She's always got her hands full, and they're perfect for her. I really wanted a pair, and when I saw this style, I knew I had to have a pair too. These are the Hillcrest Sunapee Trail Sneaker. They come in 3 different colors, and I'll show you the other ones in a second. What really caught my attention with these is that they are suede, and I love the traction on the bottom. They're perfect for hiking on uneven surfaces. They look nice and grippy, and they'll be perfect for snow and ice here in Canada. What makes these shoes special is the heel pillow and the structure that's built into the shoe. You can really feel its strength when you touch it. It's harder than a regular shoe frame, but because of the heel pillow, you don't feel that part when you're wearing it. It's very solid. So unlike a regular shoe where your heel breaks down quickly when you try and slip your foot in all the time, this is meant to hold up to that kind of use. The tag says out of the box comfort, and I have to say that was true for me. I ordered these online in a size 9, which is my size, and I have to say they were true to size. Very comfortable right off the bat. I'll add a link below for these shoes and other slip-ins by Skechers for you to check out. Let's have a look at how they work. So not only are they perfect for moms with their hands full, they're perfect for anyone who just needs a pair of shoes that you can just step into and go. No fuss. I find they're perfect for work, they're perfect for hiking outdoors on all kinds of surfaces, and they're super easy to clean. I just use my shoe brush on the suede and they clean up perfectly. If you're worried about getting them ruined from the salt or water, you can use a spray like Nick Wax for suede. I'll add a link for that below as well. It's a great product. The Hillcrest Sunapee Trail Sneaker shoe comes in 3 colors: black, which is the one I bought, taupe, and there's also a dark taupe. One question I know many of you have is the footbed removable for inserting my own orthotics or my own insoles? And the answer is yes. The insole that comes with it is a bit tacky on the underside, so it doesn't slide around, but it is removable. Here you can get a good look at the air-cooled memory foam insole that it comes with. This is the running shoe style that I told you about earlier that I bought for my daughter. It's super classic. Honestly, if the hands-free technology is appealing to you, there's a shoe for everyone and every style. There are men's shoes as well, so check out this one that Snoop Dogg designed with Skechers. They're actually velvet. How cool is that? So there are shoes with sparkles, shoes with hearts. Those would be super cute for Valentine's Day. And here are a few other styles. Check out the link below to the Skechers site, and you can see over 400 hands-free slip-in styles. Overall, I am super happy with my Hillcrest Sunapee Trail Sneakers. I love the suede, I love the tough tread, and I really like the firmness of the entire shoe. I will definitely be getting a few more pairs of these Skechers slip-ins in the future. I have my eye on those red ones for Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life today. Be sure to check out the links I mentioned below in the description. Happy shoe shopping, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.